Coordinate Measuring Machine or CMM. The CMM is an electromechanical system designed to perform coordinate metrology. These are also considered as transducers that can convert physical measurements into electrical signals. In the components of CMM, the probe system is the first one, which contains a probe head and a probe. The probe is making contact with the workpiece. Second is the mechanical system, which consists of a mechanical structure, provides a motion of probe in three Cartesian axes, and it also consists of a table for holding the workpiece. The control system is used for move the probe in each axis, and a digital computer is also used with an application software. The probe is a key component of the CMM. It is available in two types. That is, one is the contact probe, which measure the workpiece making contact with them, and other type is non-contact probe that employs lasers or machine vision probes that scan with optical sensors. There are also multi-sensor probes are employed, which combines both touch and optical scanning, giving benefit of both type in one probe. The tip of the contact probe is made with a ruby ball. A ruby is a form of corundum, and it will have high hardness to provide wear resistance during measurements, and also having low density to offer minimum inertia. The contact probes are further classified into touch trigger probe and analog scanning probes. In touch trigger probe, the probe is attached to a bearing plate. It is connected to pressure sensors inside that housing. The pressure sensors may be of piezoelectric or strain gauge type. So when each time the probe makes a contact like this, it generates an electric signal. The strain gauge or piezoelectric sensor generate an electric signal. The signal is sent back to the CMM to create accurate measurement. The analog scanning probes are another type of stylus based probes or contact probes, which are used for measuring contoured surfaces. Unlike the touch probes and digital probes, these are keeps continual contact with the workpiece taking measurements, and it is dragged across it. These probes are used to collect measurement data for contoured surfaces such as turbine blades, automobile bodies, cams, and crankshafts. The non-contact probes are used to measure complex, smaller, and high precision workpieces which may deformed under pressure of a contact probe. These are classified as two, that is laser based probes and vision based probes. In laser probes, a concentrated beam of a laser is used to take the readings. When a beam is projected to the part like this, the position will be read by triangulation through the lens inside the probe receptor and a sensor. And the vision based probes are generally used for taking measurements of very small parts like microprocessors. It consists of high definition camera which is capable of generating multiple measurement points in one frame. Thanks for watching.